welcome back to my channel. This is Kitty here. Today I would like to share with you a card I'm going to make from the Papercraft Essentials magazine. It's a kit you get free with, was it last month's? I think it was last month's copy of the magazine. And this is a kit you get in it. It's the Floral Shaker card kit. I'm going to make a card using this kit today. So let's see what we get in the kit. I've already opened it, so should be bits cut out of it anyway. So today I'm going to make you get some backing papers, some cardstock. You get some stamps, you get some toppers, die cuts. I've already taken some apart, and you get some shaker domes. You get 3. I think there should be a circle one, and there's an oval, and there's a square. And let's see. You get some backing papers as well. You get some more toppers. And you get some acetate as well here for the shaker, if you don't want to use the domes. So let's see what we're going to make today. I think I already cut some bits and pieces out. Let's see what we've got here. You get some stamps as well. Sentiment stamps. Yeah, I already cut some bits and pieces out. So I've got a 6x6 card blank, a white card blank, and I cut some paper to map the card from the kit. So let's just stick this down. Stick this down. I hope you're all doing well today and staying safe. So let's just stick this down. Down. And then we've got one of the toppers that says do more of what makes you happy. So we put this about here because we're going to put the shaker dome about in the middle. That. So let's put some glue on here. Oh, and you get some sequins as well, some gold coloured ones. I forgot about them. Stick that down like so. And then this will go on top like this. So what you've got to do is you get one of the frames that comes in the kit. I chose this one. You stick this to there like this, so it should go over like this. Stick some glue on here. I think it's best to use wet glue for this. Should stick on the acetate, but let's see. I think my glue is nearly finishing here.